is on the bench now. You have to
Yeah.
listen to your noise.
Oh, there it is. I
Everyone,
just got that, Louis, so I didn't do that one yet.
everyone turn on their video, please. Everyone turn on their video and keep quiet until your name is called. Everyone turn up on your video. Dent, Lewis, please sit up. And Letitia Davis.
I have a neck injury, so I gotta sit with this pillow behind my neck.
Okay, well, okay. Ms. Davis, Letitia Davis, could you appear before the camera?
Yeah.
36th District Court is now in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While court's in session, there's no reading, talking, eating, sleeping, walking about. When your name is called, please give the court your full and divided attention. Good morning, Your Honor, and you're on mute.
Okay, good morning.
Morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
Morning, Judge.
Oh, good morning, Mr. Camilleri. Are you ready on yours?
I'm
Let's see.
okay.
We'll give you 15 more minutes to see if the officer appears. Because yours was set at 8:35, so I give them an hour, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, Judge.
I'll give you like 10 minutes. I'll give you a break. All right. But I'll just do a few and then I'll call yours. Okay, what about Talisa Davis? Do you have that offer? It was plea responsible to the civil infraction?
Do I have the offer? No. We're getting a pretrial day because she's going for her license, so.
Okay, all right, this is the people versus Talisa Davis, ticket number P12022828. Count 1, tinted windows, front driver, passenger windshield more than 4 inches. Ticket number P12022825, count 1, failed to display a valid operator's license. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Soroki.
Your Honor, Pauline Stroke, on behalf of Ms. Talisa Davis.
Yes,
Ms. Davis, say your name, ma'am.
Lisa Davis.
Your Honor, at this time, my client is entering a plea and not guilty, requesting a pretrial date.
This trial. Okay.
Give me one moment, please.
Let's do September 22nd.
We'll do September 22nd at 8:35.
Did you hear that, Ms. Davis?
Yes.
Okay, you're gonna need to be on a camera if you want to be able to show your driver's license at that time, okay?
Okay.
It'll be by Zoom. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
All right, this is the people versus Letitia Davis. It's spelled to display, Mr. Oki.
Yes.
Okay. Ticket number P12600975, count 1, drive while license suspended. Good morning. Please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Soroki.
Your Honor, Pauline Stroke, on behalf of Letitia Davis.
Davis, say your name.
Letitia Davis.
Your Honor, Ms. Davis did show me a license that appears to be valid. I move for dismissal.
You stipulate the proper cause.
So stipulated.
All right, this matter is dismissed without prejudice. You are all set, Ms. Davis. Good luck to you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Versus Anthony Davis, ticket number 154678691. Open alcohol in a motor vehicle driver, and ticket number U33151116. Count 1, disorderly conduct. Good morning. Record, starting with Attorney Soroki.
Your Honor, Pauline Stroke, on behalf of Anthony Davis. At this time, he's entering a plea of not guilty.
Mr. Davis, say your name, please.
Anthony Davis.
Was there a recommendation, Your Honor?
Yes, the recommendation is a 3-month delayed sentence on the U ticket and then dismissing the other ticket.
Sir, so if you wanted to admit the disorderly conduct violation, the court would consider your plea, and after 3 months, if you pay the fine and you don't pick up any new incidents, this would be dismissed. Would you like to accept that today?
Yes,
All right, raise your right hand, Mr. Davis. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
yes,
You put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to Mr. Roki today in private about your case and your right.
no,
You've had an opportunity to speak to Mr. Roki with the court present about your case.
yes,
Put your hand down. Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
no,
You're pleading of your own free will.
yes,
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
yes,
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial.
yes,
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
yes,
I'm going to direct your attention to the date of June 10, 2016 at 8:50 p.m. On that date and time, where you add or near the location of an address on Evergreen in the city of Detroit.
yes,
Did you engage in disorderly conduct?
yes,
You're
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Satisfied the factual basis, will accept the admission. This is gonna be a delayed sentence. There's gonna be a fine of $200 that is due on November 22nd. You need to come back on that date. You don't need to get any more tickets. And if you do all that's asked of you, this will be dismissed off your record. You do stipulate the probable cause, Mr. Roki, as to the other ticket. She's muted. Mr. Roki, you stipulate the probable cause? You're muted.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, so that's dismissed without prejudice. Did you have any questions, Mr. Davis?
no,
Okay, so you got your next date, November 22nd at 8:35, sir. You're all set.
okay.
Okay, Your Honor, I need a minute here.
Is it the same courtroom?
In courtroom.
Okay,
All right, so we'll do, Mr. Donegan.
I'm all set.
You're all set, sir.
All right.
Oh, okay.
All right, this is the People versus Dennis Donegan. Ticket number SX 401-95241. Count 1, violation of basic speed law, drove unsafe manner. Good morning, please state your name for the record.
Morning, Your Honor. Attorney John Camilleri on behalf of Dennis Donegan.
All right, this matter was set for a formal hearing at 8:35. It is now 9:27, which is a little early, but no officer has appeared. Do you have a motion, Mr. Camilleri?
Certainly, Judge, I make a motion to dismiss at this time.
Okay, this matter is dismissed without prejudice. We're all set, sir.
I thank you very much, Judge. Thank you, Dennis. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Mr. Fillmore, good morning, sir.
Good morning, Your Honor. How are you?
I am well. You are on.
Miss Pruitt actually just reached out to me and asked me if I could jump in and help out. It seems like you all are doing fine, but I'm here.
All right, well, Mr. Roki stepped away, but, you have, has anyone, have everyone that's here, you guys have spoken, or you ladies have spoken, and gentlemen, have spoken to Mr. Roki?
Yes. Yes, but she didn't have all my tickets. She said she only had one.
Okay, we'll get you squared away, Ms. Dent Lewis. Ms. Robinson, let's see.
On her, Your Honor. Good morning, Mr. Fillmore. Good morning, everyone. She has a 3-point moving violation that she got in March of 2022. If you want to move for set aside and the judge entertains that motion, I will not object to it. And then I will rearrange the plea offer, because she has a 3-pointer on there that went into default, along with, I believe, an expired plate that went into default and driver's license never acquired. So I kind of kind of want to help her out and move that around a little bit because it just went into default. And I know there's been some issues with notices.
That's, and I would set aside the default.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
So we'll recall that one.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Your Honor,
Yes.
if you want to call Dominique Ray, that's going to be a bench trial request, and Terry Ann Robinson's going to be a pretrial.
Is that the one is that what you have?
This one, Your Honor, is Terriana Marie Robinson.
Yeah, Ms. Soroki, you said it was gonna be a pretrial, that was.
Yeah, she's getting her license, so she was,
Okay, but Ms. Robinson, Ms. Horn just indicated that the civil infractions did go into default, but one's like a 3-point civil infraction. So the court is willing to set aside the default and she's gonna rework the offer.
okay, thank you. That's for Terry Ann Robinson. I was referring to,
Yes.
oh yeah, that's Terry Ann Robinson.
Yeah, I'll do blockading on that. Hopefully it won't mess with her trying to get a license, but that'll be the only thing I've asked her to plead. Now, if she wants to set it for trial, I'll just leave everything as is, but
So-
you know, she would have a default on her record.
So she just needs to admit blockading traffic?
Correct, and dismissal of the misdemeanor and no proof of insurance.
Ms. Robinson, do you want to accept that?
Yes.
It's not going to hurt your license. You just have to pay the fine. It won't go onto your license.
How much is the fine?
The court will let you know. Thank you, Your Honor. We're ready to proceed.
Okay, well, here, I'm gonna call Ms. Ray and then we'll call Ms. Robinson. All right, this is, the people versus Dominique Ray, ticket number P321897, count 1, failed to display a valid operator's license on a person, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor, and count 3, expired plates. Good morning, please take your names for the record, starting with Attorney Soroki.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki, on behalf of the defendant.
Dominique, Ms. Ray, can you take your name, please?
Dominique Ray.
Ms. Ray is requesting a bench trial date, Your Honor.
Ms. Ray, can you raise your right hand, please? Swear or affirm to tell the whole truth.
Yes.
Put your hand down. You understand you do have the right to a jury trial?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, promised you anything of value in exchange? Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
No.
You understand that by having a bench trial, the court will be the fact finder?
Yeah.
Okay, so the court is going to continue your non-guilty plea, set it for a bench trial for
9/22.
September 22nd at 9 o'clock. You have any questions?
Nope, that'll be all.
You're all set.
Thank you.
She said. This is the people versus Terry Anna Robinson, ticket number P1323080, count 1, 11 to 15 miles per hour over posted speed, count 2, no proof of insurance, ticket number P1323102, count 1, driver's license never acquired. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Soroki.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki, on behalf of Ms. Robinson, at this time, she's going to avail herself of the recommendation and she would admit one civil infraction, the other counts being dismissed. She's waiving her rights. And we'd ask it be pulled out of default, the default be set aside on that matter.
Can you say your name, Ms. Robinson?
Robinson.
Okay, the default is set aside. With that, with the offer, Ms. Soroki, you stipulate to the face of the ticket.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
So the court is going to amend count 1 to blockading, and you stipulate the probable cause as to the remaining counts to be dismissed.
So stipulated.
They're dismissed without prejudice. We'll proceed to sentencing. Because this is a civil infraction, Ms. Robinson, there's going to be a fine that you have to pay in 14 days. The fine is $175. Can you have that paid by September 6th?
Yes.
Did you have any questions?
No.
You are all set, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you.
So, Your Honor, Jonathan Roberson's going to be a bench trial request, and that would be everything I could do at the moment.
right, and then Mr. Fillmore can take over. If he needs to. All right, you said. You say Jonathan. All right, this is people versus Jonathan, Robertson, ticket number SP 1248686. Count one, open alcohol in a motor vehicle driver. Good morning, please say your name for the record. Starting with Attorney Soroki.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Jonathan Robertson.
Say your name, unmute yourself and say your name, Mr. Robertson.
Oh,
Look
am
on
I-
look on the bottom left-hand corner. There's a microphone. You need to tap that to unmute yourself, sir. Say your name.
Jonathan Robertson.
Robertson.
Your Honor, he's entering a plea not guilty, requesting a bench trial date.
Your right hand, Mr. Robertson.
Excuse me, Your Honor.
Raise your right hand, sir. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
I do.
You can put your hand down. You understand you do have the right to a jury trial?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
No.
You understand that by having a bench trial, the court will be the fact finder?
Yes.
So the court is going to continue your not guilty plea set it for a bench trial for September 22nd at 9 o'clock. Do you have any questions?
You said for September the 22nd?
Yes, sir. Any questions?
No.
Okay, you're all set, sir.
All right, thank you.
So we still have Ms. Dent Lewis.
She indicated she had additional tickets and she was with the court before and the court said you would pull our tickets and give her an offer today. And I also have the sentence for Renata Riley. So she needs to be placed back in a breakout room. And I'm thinking I'm going to need, a few minutes. So I don't know if you're going to do another docket or not, or.
I do, but I don't think, they're not ready yet.
Okay, well, I'll do my best, but I'm probably going to get called into these probates, but I'll definitely be back. So.
Mr. Fillmore is here.
Oh, he is? Oh, I didn't know he was here to help me. Okay, so he can do this sentence. Does he have the pre? He can finish the last two.
Okay, so we can,
Can you forward it to him?
Come on, Louis, I'm on two computers.
Okay, I get you. I got it.
Mr.
Fillmore.
All right, well, thank you, guys. I'll stay.
okay. Does he need the, and he probably needs the,
Mr. Fillmore, give me your P number, please.
80581.
Thank you.
probably needs,
The pre-sentence report.
yeah,
Yes.
you want it,
That's what I'm getting ready to send him over.
and
Send
you
him.
probably need this offer for, Ms. Dent. Oh, I gotta pull the rest of her ticket.
Oh, I already did. I mean, I'm working on it now.